We have got our MVP for the night, the shortstop from Madison, Hope Barrett. Awesome performance by you, 4 for 4 from the dish. Tell me how well you were seeing it tonight to get that championship.
Honestly, I was just trying to get in play. Like, it was amazing.
Pretty much everybody on the team was getting it in play. A ton of hits for you girls. How exciting is it when you get those crooked numbers going up on the board and just everybody's flowing?
It's amazing feeling, like knowing, being a sophomore and not getting last year and seeing this team like go this far is amazing.
And this is a team that beat you twice in a doubleheader during the regular season. I imagine it's got to feel a little bit nicer here,
yeah.
you know, a little extra.
Yeah, very much.
Moving on to the regionals.
Yeah, we are.
Gotta sound pretty awesome.
Yep.
You know, how much hope and spirit does this team have in feeling like you can keep going, keep this journey alive?
We are very confident, but we're not cocky. Like, we know we can do it, but we have class when we're doing it. Like, I know we can do it.
All right, congratulations,
Thank you.
Hope Barrett, our MVP of the night and a district champion.